beautiful people, this is Pepsi Glow. Welcome back to my channel. Pepsi Glow is a brand new channel on YouTube, so I need you to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, there will be no dull moment. Subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, and please turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. So today I'm going to teach you different ways to infuse herbs into your bathing water. Use it to take your bath. It will nourish your skin. It will make you look younger and fresher. Okay, taking a herbal bath once or twice in a week has a lot of skin benefits. Taking a herbal bath will help to soothe the skin, calm the skin, and helps to relax the skin. Taking a herbal bath will help to cleanse the skin, refresh the skin, and repairs the skin. Taking a herbal bath will also help to reduce stress and help you to sleep well. Taking a herbal bath will help to prevent premature aging and slow down signs of aging. It will also help to give you a youthful, glowing looks, okay? So it's good to have a herbal bath at least once in a week, especially if you're over the age of 25. This will help to slow down the signs of aging and prevent premature aging. So to continue, I'm going to introduce different herbs you can infuse into your bathing water, and it helps to nourish your skin. So the first herb I'm going to introduce to you that I have here with me is green tea. Okay, this is the green tea I have. You can use any green tea you have. So I'm going to read out the skin benefits of green tea. Green tea in your bathing water has a lot of skin benefits. Green tea is used to cleanse, tone, and purify the skin. It can relieve body aches, especially painful muscles. Green tea in your herbal water, your herbal bath, will help to soften the skin. It will help to soothe rashes. It will also help to refresh the skin, okay? So it's very good to infuse green teas in your bathing water at least once in a week, okay? So apart from green tea, I also have other herbs you can infuse into your bathing water, and it will help to give you a youthful, glowing, healthy skin, okay? So the next herb I have here with me is my lavender herbs, okay? This is my dried lavender herbs. I got it from organic shop, okay? So I'm going to be reading out the skin benefits of lavender herbs, okay? Lavender has a lot of skin benefits, okay? Lavender has the ability to lessen acne. It helps to lighten the skin. It has healing properties. It helps to heal wounds. It helps to slow down signs of aging. It helps to prevent premature aging. It helps to reduce wrinkles, okay? And also helps to clear blemishes from the skin. So to infuse lavender flower into your bathing water once in a week will help to give you a lot of skin benefits, okay? So the next herb I'm going to introduce to you is my rosemary flower, okay? Rosemary flower, this is my dried rosemary flower, okay? Okay, dried rosemary herbs. I got it from the organic shop. It smells so good, okay? So you can infuse rosemary flower into your bathing water at least once in a week to prevent premature aging and slow down signs of aging, okay? So I'm going to read out the skin benefits of infusing rosemary herbs into your bathing water. Rosemary herbs has anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to heal burns. It helps to soothe the skin. It helps to heal swelling. It aids you to sleep well. It helps to tighten and firms the skin. Rosemary flower also helps to tone the skin, and it helps to prevent sagging skin, okay? So infusing dried rosemary herb into your bathing water at least once in a while will help to prevent sagging skin, okay? So the next herb I'm going to introduce to you is my chamomile, okay? This is my chamomile herb. Okay, you can infuse chamomile herb into your bathing water. It will help to give you a healthy looking skin. It will help to slow down the signs of aging and also help to prevent premature aging. Okay, so I'm going to be reading out the skin benefits of chamomile. Chamomile has a lot of skin benefits. It helps to calm nerves. It helps to reduce anxiety. It helps to tighten and firm the skin. It helps to slow down signs of aging. It helps to reduce blemishes. It helps to calm redness. So you can always infuse chamomile herb into your bathing water and it helps to give you a glowing skin. Okay, so the next herb I'm going to introduce to you, which you can infuse into your herbal water, okay, is hibiscus flower. Okay, so this is my hibiscus flower. In Nigeria here we call it zobo leaf. Okay, so hibiscus flower has a lot of skin benefits. Okay, so I'm going to be reading out the skin benefits to you. It helps to remove dead skin cell and increase new cells turnover. Okay, it helps to remove age spots and give you a fresher, younger, smooth skin. It also helps to control acne breakouts. It has anti-aging properties and helps to prevent premature aging. It removes wrinkles and helps to reduce fine lines. Okay, so that you can infuse hibiscus flower into your bathing water once in a week. Okay, it will nourish your skin. It will give you a healthy looking skin. Okay, so the next herb I'm going to introduce to you is orange peels. Orange peels has a lot of skin benefits. Okay, it helps to exfoliate the skin. It helps to remove dead skin cells. It helps to dry out acne. It helps to improve overall looks of your skin. Orange peels contains antioxidant properties and will help to give you a clear and a brighter skin. It has antibacterial, antimicrobial properties, which makes it great for treating acne and oily skin. Okay, so you can get a fresh peeled organic orange peel. Okay, please, when you're using orange peels, make sure you wash it properly. Okay, and the best orange peels to use are the ones from organic oranges. Okay, so you can actually infuse it into your water, into your bathing water. Okay, use it to take your bath and it will nourish your skin. So the next herb on my list is mint leaf. Okay, here I have my dried mint leaf. You can use a fresh mint leaf. Okay, so you can actually infuse mint leaf into your bathing water and it will help to nourish your skin. Okay, mint leaf has a lot of skin benefits. It helps to tone your skin naturally. It helps to hydrate the skin and also helps to relax the skin. Okay, it helps to moisture the skin. It helps to tighten and remove dirt from the pores. Okay, so you can infuse fresh mint leaf into your bathing water once in a week and it will help to give you a glowing and healthy looking skin. Okay, so now that I've finished introducing all these herbs that you can infuse into your bathing water to you, okay, I'm going to teach you how to prepare a herb infused bathing water. Okay, so there are two methods to prepare a herbal bath. Okay, you can prepare a herbal bath by bringing a water to a boil the water. Okay, you can boil the water. After boiling the water, take a handful of your herbs. Okay, take a handful of your herbs, put it into the boiling water, into the boiled water, the water you've already boiled. Allow it to infuse for like 20 minutes. Okay, after 20 minutes you can add it into your bathing bucket and use it to take your bath. Okay, so the second method to prepare your herbal bath is by boiling water. By adding herbs into a boiling water, you add a handful of your herbs into the boiling water. Allow it to boil until it changes color. Okay, so both methods are good. You can either infuse in a hot water, already boiled water, for 20 minutes, add it into your bathing water and use it to have your bath, or you can add it into a boiling water, leave it to boil until it changes color, then pour it into your bathing water and use it to take your bath. Okay, please, when you're using a herbal infused water to bathe, make sure the water is not very hot, okay, so that it will not dry out your skin. Just use a warm water, okay. Then take your time, have your bath, okay. You don't need to rush it, okay. Take your bath slowly. Make sure the herb infused water nourishes your skin, okay, before leaving the bathroom. So apart from all these herbs, we still have other herbs that you can infuse into your bathing water. You have lemongrass is also good for preparing, for adding it into your bathing water, okay. You can also make use of fresh ginger, okay. So all these herbs are very nourishing to the skin, and you can add it to your bathing water once in a while, okay. So before I started filming, I prepared a herbal infused water, okay. I'm going to add it to my bathing water, okay, later today. So I'm going to show you how I infused it, okay. So here I have my bucket, okay. Here I have my strainer, okay. I'm going to use it to strain out the herb infused water, okay. So look at my herb infused water. I infused hibiscus flower, okay. I took a handful, I added it into my hot boiled water, okay, and I infused it for 20 minutes, okay. So now I'm going to strain out, just to give you an example of what you can do with all these herbs, okay. So here is my hibiscus infused water. I'm going to strain it out into this bucket. It's not going to stain your skin, it's going to refresh your skin. When you're having your bath with this hibiscus infused water, you're going to feel very refreshed, okay. So I'm going to strain. Okay, so this is what it looks like, okay. I've strained it out, okay. So now that it's like this, I can easily pour it into my bathing bucket, and I can use it to take my bath, okay. It will help to nourish my skin, it will help to cleanse my skin, it will help to calm my skin, it will help to repair my skin, it will help to relax my skin, it will also help to prevent signs of aging, okay, and also prevent premature aging. Okay, you can still do combination of herbs. You can combine your herbs and use it to infuse your bathing water, okay. For example, you can combine lavender with chamomile, okay. You can also combine lavender with rose petals, okay. Use it to infuse your bathing water, okay. Use it to have your bath. It will give you that healthy looking skin, okay. So beautiful people, we've come to the end of this video. If this video is helpful to you, I need you to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe, okay. There will be no dull moment. Subscribe to my channel, watch my videos, like my videos, share my videos, and please turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye.